how to increase your cash flow, increase income, reduce your expenses. So I'll discuss from ground going up. So again, like building a house, build wealth from ground going up. So I'll start discussing very fast. Number one, increase your cash flow. Next slide. So increase your cash flow. How much cash flow do you need? It depends on the size of your dream. Next slide. So the top two most important ways to increase your cash flow. Next slide, please. Is number one, reduce your expenses, and number two, earn additional income. So reduce your expenses. This is the surest way to increase your cash flow. You reduce your expenses, you have cash flow automatic. And next is additional income, but you need to work extra hours. You need to use your spare time. So again, I'll discuss how to reduce your expenses. Next slide. So you have to list down, next slide please. You have to list down all your needs and all your wants. So then analyze. Saan mas marami pumupunta ang income mo? Sa needs or wants? So most of the time when I do financial check-up, people would realize na mas marami palang pumupunta sa income nila sa wants rather than needs. Needs things you must have in order to stay alive. And wants, gusto mo lang. Kahit hindi mo binili, okay pa rin. But most people, yung pera nila, mas marami pupunta sa wants compared sa needs. Kasi kasama dyan sa wants, budget mo to get attention, to impress people. Kaya sinasabi ko palagi, you cannot be wealthy by spending most of your money getting attention or to impress people. Next slide. So you have to pay yourself first. Who are you going to work for every day? Your family, yourself, or other people? Who will benefit the most from your hard-earned money? Your family or other people? So you need to create a system. Track where your money is going. So you have to review daily and monthly and look for possible areas to cut costs and save money. So next slide. So there are some areas where you can save money, reduce number of coffee, alcohol, cigarette, less party, less gimmick, less travel, less junk food, less shopping, less pack lunch. So malaking savings yan, ano? Save on electricity, pay in full your credit card para walang penalty, cut down on shopping, groceries, gadgets. Sa 5 items pa lang, I think malaki ng ano yan, malaki ng investable fund. Pinapakita ko nga palagi, 1,000 a month lang after 35 years, abot na more than 5 million at 12% per year. Next slide. So, it requires a lot of discipline to reduce your expenses, but that's the surest way to increase your cash flow. So next, how to earn additional income.